Hi loves, welcome and thank you for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Alt Air Fryer by Aukey Home, enjoying the full flavor of your recipe with Sarah Guild. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Bridget, and in today's video, we are going to be doing a family support video to help families make the right choice when it comes to buying kitchen gadgets. So we are going to be reviewing this Alt Air Fryer by Aukey Home, and we will unbox it and bring it to the table, and we are going to talk about all other things. It came with the user manual about how to use, maintain, and all that you need to know about your air fryer. How to troubleshoot, what you need to do first, they are all in the user manual. It also came with the recipe book that will help you enjoy the full flavor of your food with Sarah Guild. You can make dessert, side, entree, they are all in this book, and it is a good guide to making recipes that you will love and enjoy. So moving on, my first impression about this air fryer was cute. This air fryer is so cute and beautiful. The rose gold color on the handle is just perfect and beautiful. The handle has a push button to help open the air fryer. And guess what? The basket is glass. Yes, that was so amazing. I have never seen a glass basket before. This is so cute. I love it. How cool that is. Look at this gorgeous glass basket. The glass basket is made of strong, thick, non-stick glass. What I like most about the glass basket is that it will not fade or chip since it is not made or coated with any black non-stick coating, and it is so easy to clean. The crispy plate is stainless steel and will not chip or fade over the years of use. The recipes or the food you see in this video are made from this air fryer, so I will be leaving all the information to get in this air fryer in the description box below. This air fryer is a 6-in-1 smart program with air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. You can do all this with this air fryer, and you can easily adjust the temperature. You can increase it, you can decrease it, you can just set the time easily, increase and decrease depending on what you are cooking. And it's just very easy to manipulate and use, and it saves a lot of time. You can also have a sneak peek of what you are cooking, your delicious meal, through the glass opening. You can actually see what you are doing, and it is a powerful air fryer, but it gives less feedback or background noise when using it. The recipes you see in this video are made from this air fryer, and they will be coming out soon. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll also leave the link and all the information to getting this air fryer in the description box below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.